pick up DoorDash because I'm broke. Because I want the extra funds. And then go stop by my girlfriend's work. Pick up an energy drink or two. And then probably just cruise around until she gets off, and then we'll go to the gym. So should be a little fun ride. Yeah, a little St. Paul action. Yeah, it's getting a little stormy. Kind of see it over there. Oh yeah. Should be fun. Little evening rain drive or some shit. Yeah. This light would turn. I hate St. Paul lights. They're actually so long and so ridiculous. And everyone drives like a fucking dickhead down here. They don't know how to drive. They're either going like 20 and a 30, or they're going like 70. It's kind of ridiculous. But yeah. The roads down here are fucking terrible too. I don't really like driving down here, but at the same time I do. But at the same time I don't. Look at this. What the hell? Why are you strolling in the bike lane? Just did brakes. We broke both wear sensors. I forgot we had to like fucking whatever. We have to replace the wear sensors when you do brakes on these cars. And brakes alone on these cars are fucking terrible to do. I mean, they're like, you got your generic shit, your 2 bolts at the back of the brake, shit like that. But then you have fucking wear sensors, like they're only on the driver's side, front and rear, but they're a bitch to get off, and B, whenever you try to take them off, they just snap. They just crumble. They crumble like fucking, like clumped together sand when you pick it up, just disintegrates. And it's kind of asinine. Let's see. Park in the parking lot by the restaurant. I think no, I didn't pick something up from down here. But yeah. I'm gonna roll the windows down a little bit. But what the hell you doing, bro? You had to pay to ride that bike. I think you stole that shit too, because it's all blinking and shit. What the fuck? Let's see. I already got gas today. I was contemplating on starting when I got gas, like starting the vlog, but I had to go home and marinate chicken, so figured I might as well just let this thing charge. I think it's still only at like 50-something% or something, but I don't know, it charges kind of slow when I charge it in the car, but oh well. I should probably, I don't know, I want to work on production quality, because I feel like that's a big part in becoming successful. Like right now you can see it's kind of like grainy and everything like that, and it's just in general not the best quality I could have. It doesn't sound that good, I don't think, either. Oh god, what do we got going on here? Oh, he's just taking a break. But yeah, I'm gonna cut here and then I'll start this back up when I get the food in here. Okay. Adios. Alrighty, and we're back. I should have directions there already. Oh, we can watch the lightning in the rear cam. I parked up right next to this officer, and when I got out, he actually complimented my car. I thought that was pretty cool. But now he looks like he's doing something. I don't know what. Can we get directions? Okay, we'll just take it right here. And then we'll take a left. Sweet. Get a little stormy here. Someone's off Fent right there. Average University Ave. Fucking intersection. I fucking hate University. Intersections take too long. Fucking cops everywhere. Fucking crackheads. People just off they shit. But you know what? To each their own. You know, some people just wanna, you know, wanna have an enjoyable time outside, you know. So I won't fault them for that, I guess. But honestly, low-key, it's kind of a good setup for a good sunset tonight. I don't know if I guess I'll probably just wait for, I don't fucking know. Set the cruise at fucking whatever. It should be set to 75. I don't know why it's geeking. But yeah. Uh-oh. Someone's getting pulled over. Up right there. That, hit this again, hit this again. Oh yeah, something's going down there. Wonder if they had an incident on the train. Yeah. Oh yeah, we'll get a good view of the lightning storm here. Yeah, look at that. This is sick, actually. Sick ass cloud formations. The lightning's like kind of above the clouds though for right now. I'm not really. Oh, yeah, they're right there. I don't know if we can see anything right now. Or if I can go back here, maybe. No, guess not. Shucks. I'm recording. Okay. Doesn't look like I can preview the footage. Okay. Oh well. But anyways, y'all can see it. Pretty cool clouds. I'm gonna get in the fucking left lane here and just vibe. Yeah. Sit back with our Thai cuisine for someone. I've recently been wanting a Tesla Model 3. I have no clue why, but I've been like this close. Not really this close, because I still have a lot I want to do, or gotta do. But like this close. So kind of far away, but this close to be like, to just like put in like a down payment or whatever you want to do on a new like Model 3. Like a long range or a performance or whatever, because the more I look at them and the more I see them on the road, they're honestly kind of nice. And with like the ambient lighting and shit, the big ass like screen right there, I know I'd miss having like this car, you know? So like, I don't know. Maybe I do the Tesla Turo method, buy a Tesla or lease it maybe, and then just like, I don't know, just rent it out on Turo, $100 a day. I'd have to have insurance on that thing, but I think I could probably just go through Tesla insurance for that. I think we can make this. Yeah, I probably can. Right? I definitely can. On God, bro. That might be an officer. Nope, it's not. Just a regular old, like, 16-year-old. I gotta cut over again, though, for this exit. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Little Canada Road. Oh, they got a fucking red light. Okay. And then we gotta turn right here. I wish I could see how this comes up on the GoPro, because it'd be really interesting, but I don't know how well the colors are or whatever. I don't think it really matters. Y'all can see there's lightning. Ooh, that's a big one. See, they got anything going on over here? Couldn't tell you. Ooh, it's raining now. It's gonna start pouring here soon. I guarantee it. Just cut to when it starts pouring. I just gotta remember to actually do the cut. Ooh, I should break down the cost of owning this thing, honestly. If y'all care to hear it, honestly. If y'all don't, too bad. So when I bought this thing, have I already? No, I don't think I've. went over this already. But when I bought this thing, I bought it last year. Yes, 2024. August 8th. And when I bought it, it was fucking spur of the moment decision. Not really spur of the moment, but it was a very sporadic decision, and I definitely sometimes regret it. Because I definitely could have had a G80 by now if I just stacked my bread like I was doing. But oh well. Anyways, I bought this thing last year, August 8th, 2024. I financed it with my personal bank. It was $35,000-ish out the door. And I put down $12,500. I was originally gonna put down $10,000, but my banker said, nah, you'd have a better interest rate at 12.5 or whatever. You'd have to pay less monthly. So yeah, it was a smart decision. Anyways, he said, put that down, and then we'll just cut you a check for the rest. You go there, and it'll basically all just be one check. We'll just take 12.5 out of your savings or whatever. And then we'll continue this after I deliver this. Yes. Adios for now. Okay. We're back. Anyways, got the delivery done. It's rain a little bit. And we're dinging $13 to go to Chipotle. You gotta pick up 2 orders, looks like, maybe 11 miles. Okay, we'll do it. Cause fuck it. Wipers on high real quick. Anyways, what was I talking about? I was talking about what I paid for this vehicle. Yes. So, hold up. Let's see what Ty has to say. Ty, buddy, what's up?
You ready for the check?
Am I ready for the check?
You ever see the hail?
The hail?
If it's not for you, it's on the way. Cold fall size hail just hit my truck. All the water's inside of it because the window's broken, everything.
Oh, no shit.
Yeah, my truck's totaled right now. Like, literally totaled.
That insurance payout finna hit.
I don't have gap.
You don't have gap?
No.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that...
Those are too much stuff that I'm in.
Yeah, that might suck then.
I mean, no, the check will still hit though.
I mean, yeah, but then you'll have... I guess then you could just sell the truck or something then.
It's not going to be a total loss of repair damage, so they just give me a check probably to fix it, and then I just don't fix it.
Yeah, true.
But the fucking window's broken, bro, and it's getting all in me too. My headlight is done.
Which headlight, or which window is broken?
It is. It's all the way out now.
Oh, yeah. Oh, shit.
It's not even in the truck. Like, the water is literally going right into it.
Do you have your phone, like, on a pillow or something?
No.
Because I can, like, barely hear you.
Is that better?
Yeah, a little bit. But with the rain pounding down, it's terrible.
Hello?
Yo, that's better.
Okay, it was dirty.
Yeah.
But yeah, my truck is for sure hail damage, or like the headliner's done, and the interior is probably gonna be full of water.
Yeah.
It's not hailing there yet.
No, not yet. It's just.
So this dude will not take an answer, or take no for an answer for coming to look at the bike. And I'm like, dude, it's hailing right now. I don't want to.
Oh, that's too damn bad. I'm buying that bike today.
Okay, but I remember that I can look at if you show it to you for 2022 tonight, up to you.
Huh. Ow. Yeah, it's fucking like pouring here.
I'm gonna tell him you give me the 200 more, then you can come tonight.
Yeah, nah, cause that's fair.
Otherwise, I'll hold on to it. I don't care. I'll keep it. I
Yeah.
got no service right now to even text him though. Like, it's literally not loading. My service is cutting out.
Yeah.
Bro, this dude just shows up. Oh my god. Do you hear it?
Yeah, do you hear mine?
No, it's, I'm shocked you don't have hail right now. If you don't need your targeting hail damage, you better hurry up and get it under the garage.
There's nowhere where I can cover it.
Dude, it is literally golf ball size. Like, I went outside and grabbed it. I've never seen hail in my life. This is my first time.
Well, I think it's starting.
Yeah, no, you're gonna hit some hail. Well, there goes that drain off. Is that you?
Yep.
Damn.
Holy shit. Fucking probably a half-hour wait right there. And now, okay, we got both orders. Now we just gotta go fucking drop them off. Fucking, it was pouring. I think y'all saw what I was driving in. When I called Ty, actually. Or when Ty called me. Yeah, that was a fucking bitch. It kind of lightened up a little bit. I heard there's like golf ball size hail on the way. So, that's pretty chill, you know. Hopefully not. What? Something just fucking sounded like Siri went off. But I don't fucking know why, because I didn't say nothing even related to Siri. Anyways, I think before Ty called me, I was gonna talk about how much my car costed. I think I already went over. It was $35,000 out the door. I put $12,500 down. That gave me a loan amount of $22,500. At a, it's kind of high. I think it was between 8 and 10, I think. Like 10 and a quarter or something. It was a little weird. But, fuck me. Anyways, 10 and a quarter interest rate, $22,500. When I put insurance on this car, I think it was $300 a month. 3 something, because I was freshly 18. In this sports car. So it was costing me, well, here, so $22,500 a loan, divided out monthly, and 10 and a quarter interest rate or something. I think it's like 4 something a month, 4 to 5 something a month, depending on interest rates and all that. So we'll just say $450 for easy things. And then roughly $300-ish for insurance. I think it was like $330 or something. Or $320. I don't know, something like that. So it's nice. $450 plus $320. What's that? Like $770-ish. So $750 to $800 a month it was costing me. Plus gas and insurance, or plus gas and regular maintenance, oil changes, all that. So we'll say like $800-900 a month. And then I hit a deer September sometime, I think. Yes, I think it was sometime in September. And then after that, since my claim was over $1,000, if y'all don't know, if you make a claim over $1,000, at least with Progressive, they'll just hike your fucking rate up like crazy. So they hiked my rate up to, what was it? I think it was like $800 a month, because I hit the deer and it cost them over $1,000. I think the total that it cost them, well, out of pocket cost me $2,000 for the deductible, and then it cost them $12 roughly. I think it was like $11,900 or something, but say $12 for an easy figure. And they boosted my insurance rate up to $800 a month. So I think I paid that for like 1 month. Then I called and said, hey, I'm canceling with y'all if I don't fucking get a lower interest rate, because that's fucking crazy. It wasn't even my fault. I wasn't at fault. I hit a deer. And yeah, they said, actually the insurance agent or whatever the fuck he was said, hey, you know what, we'll just fucking, I'll tell you how to do it. Just cancel your policy and make a new one. So I did that. It lowered it to $600. Paid that for, I think, like a few months. And then decided this was like come upon like last month or something, I think. It was, or I called and said, I didn't even call, I just said, hey, I'm not gonna pay this anymore. So I just canceled my policy and remade a new one. Or actually, when my policy ended, I created a new one. And it lowered it to, I think it's like $188 a month, so not bad at all. But anyways, I'm gonna make this delivery real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, that delivery's done. On to the next. I am charging my camera right now, so I can't really, like, I have limited mobility, so I can't really like reach all the way up there or anything, otherwise it'll start moving. But anyways, back to where I was talking about insurance and everything. I should be good. So let's see, we're at like $900 a month, yada 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 yada. Hit the deer, yada 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 yada. Fucking $800, $600, down to like $188 now. So now that we have covered the rough monthly cost of the vehicle, we can talk about some modifications. So, I bought this car as is from Audi Richfield with no warranty or whatever. So, when I bought it, I didn't know it at the time, but my PCV valve was indeed, like, just failing. And I didn't know it when I bought it, but it was. That's partially probably why it was so cheap. Because for a prestige spec sportback like I have, there is not another one of these cars in Minnesota spec'd like mine. In my exact same color, prestige coupe, or not coupe, sportback. I will tell you that right now. I definitely got lucky with the spec because my spec is great. I think I need triple chromes and some lowering springs, but I kind of want to sell it already. But anyways, back to what I was talking about. My PCV valve, my PCV valve was going out when I bought it. Didn't know. A few months passed. A buddy brought it up and said he knew a mechanic that works on Audis. His name was Beck. Very chill dude. He has a F10 540, maybe? I don't know. I think he has an N54 in it. This dude will let me over, pretty please. Anyways, I think he has the N54, N55, whatever comes in the 5 Series. Maybe both. I don't fucking, whatever. I don't know what comes in the 5 Series. I don't know BMWs that well. At least BMW engines. Anyways, he offered to fix it. He fixed it. I think it was a $400 repair in total, because I had to replace it twice because the main PCV valve, the actual valve failed, and then the line. Long story short, excellent work. If I think of it while editing, I'll tag him. I'll put his fucking Snapchat or fucking Insta or something down below in the description or something. But yeah, anyways, PCV valve is now done. Oil changes are done, whatever it cost me. I did them with buddies. Actually, Beck did them for me. And another friend named Tyler. He's really chill. He has a hybrid turbo S4. Ooh, shit. Anyways, I think those were like, I don't know, $100 with liquid moly and filter and all, everything like that. Fuck, there's something I was gonna say while doing that. Oh, yes. So, these cars originally take like OW20 or OW30. I can't remember which, but at least in the hot summer days, well, during summer at least, I was told that 5W40 is better because it doesn't turn to water, basically. So it makes your engine cooler, everything like that. Just regular oil shit, I guess. I don't fucking know fluid dynamics or whatever. But yeah, 5W40 over like OW20 or some shit. That's what I've learned, and I'll probably stick with that until winter comes around, which will be like 2 oil changes from now, because I already desperately need one. I usually do them every like 5K. As you can tell, I'm over 5K. That's 7,500. Yeah. But what the fuck was this dude doing? Fucking hell. What the fuck's going on up here? I don't know. Anyways, I gotta turn here, so. Crazy. I don't know what's going on back there, but. Ooh. What's my girlfriend saying? Anyways, what was I talking about? Oh, yeah, parts and repair and everything. So I was let's see. When I got this car, I had plans to do content and everything, and I was gonna do install videos for everything that I did and fund more parts and shit, but evidently that didn't work out. So I'm now doing this, or I'm doing this now, I guess. Finally chasing my dreams. Holy shit, bro. Blowing up my phone. Oh, shit. Kidding. Don't mind me just distracted driving. But yeah, anyways. I'm catless downpipe stage 1 jackal with an intake, obviously, and a res delete. So, first things first. Bought the car completely stock from the dealer of Richfield, from Audi Richfield or whatever. I got a resonator delete. I deleted the rear resonator, so the big suitcase on this. And that was not the best choice. It was supposed to be the front resonator that I should have, because I believe the rear one has valves or whatever. And now I get a lot of droniness while driving or cruising on the freeway, which usually you don't want, obviously. Oh, look at these guys' sprinklers go. Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Ba-da-da-dum. Probably gonna get copyrighted for that. Hope not. But rear resonator delete was, I believe, like 300-ish. Let's look at this address. Fuck. Leave my girlfriend on red. House number 26. Is that 26? Hopefully. Yes, it is. do this real quick, and then I'll probably just leave my GoPro charging real quick. Give me 2 seconds. Okay. Anyways, back to what I was saying. I paid $300-ish for the Resonator Elite. I paid, I think it was like, I don't even remember what it was. It wasn't bad for the tune, but I got, no, did I get the tune before or after? No, okay, so I got the downpipe. The downpipe was $420 because it was 15% off or whatever, I think. From ARM Motorsports. And then the tune, I low-key can't remember. I think it was like 7 for both TCU and ECU. I don't fucking know. Or maybe it was just the ECU. I can't remember. I could probably look it up. I'll throw up the amount if I can find it. If I remember to. And then, yeah. But yeah, anyways, so 300 plus 420, that's 720 plus, we'll say how much for whatever for the tune. We'll say another 4 or something, I think. But I kind of gotta do a janky maneuver. We'll wait for this car. So, $700. We're at like $1,200-ish for the build. I think, maybe. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe not. Couldn't tell you. But over $1,000, I think. Maybe just say like $2,000 for the entire build. And it's sitting probably a little under 500 wheel right now with, I think, like a 3.5 second 0 to 60. Can't remember exactly. It's been a while. It's been a while since I saw you. It's been a while. That Nickelback song. Since I've held my own to or how the fuck ever it goes. But yeah, so $2,000, sitting at like maybe roughly 500 crank. I honestly don't know. But yeah, it's a fun car, really fun daily, and for the price that I paid for it, I think it's worth it. I don't know, I'd suggest it. It's been really reliable. Even though I have a pre-updated rocker arms, like late 2017 build, I haven't had a rocker arm issue, knock on carbon. And I feel like this is a solid daily. I bought it at 66,000 miles. It now has 98,000. I've beat the absolute piss out of it, and it's taken everything. And you know, it doesn't complain. I don't really have hiccups. Is that just a Q5 or an SQ5? I can't fucking tell, honestly. I think it might be an SQ5. I couldn't see though. But yeah, so I think, I can't check my GoPro percentage right now, but I was charging it while I was recording and it was losing percentage, so I'm not entirely sure when it'll die, but I might just cut it here and restart when the battery's plentiful. And then we can maybe go like sliding or something in the rain, you know? Ooh, look at that. Little nighttime slides or some shit. I think that'd be pretty fun. Holy fucking rough road. But yeah, so it'll only be a few seconds, not even for you guys. And it'll be like maybe like an hour or two for me. So cut to like, I don't know, 10 or so.